her word of the week is hey. Alia. You guys will probably hear her say it later. She'd be saying hey a lot.
Let's scare them.
Alright. Good luck, good luck.
Leah's smiling now. What do you say? Good morning. Good morning. You want one of these?
Yeah.
You want one?
Yeah.
It's kind of hot.
No.
So you want it or not? Okay. All right, here, so she can be quiet. Good morning, guys. It's been a while. We're back home, back in our regular routine, kind of. We're in the car right now. So Leah is crying because Jonathan and Atta went to the bathroom. We need to make sure we hit the bathroom before we hit the road, because halfway through the car ride, Dana's gonna be like, oh, I need to pee, and then I need to like use Google, find like a Starbucks or a McDonald's or like a gas station or whatever to make sure she has a clean bathroom to go to. Because right now we are in the car, as you can see, and we are gonna drive to San Francisco. It's about 45 minutes away, so it is a drive away for, you know, for the children. And we're gonna take the kids to Land's End for a nice hike. We're trying to expose them more to nature. And it's also supposed to be like 100 degrees where we live today, so we're trying to escape the heat. I gave her wake up wrap from Dunkin' already. Only way to get her to be quiet sometimes, most times, is to eat something. Uh-oh, what happened? It broke?
Yeah.
Can you show our friends your wake up wrap? Oh, there it is. Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Camiciello.
The pee-pee queen has returned.
What does
going on?
camiciello mean?
Camiciello.
She was just repeating that on the toilet. Camiciello.
She always sings random songs with words we don't know.
Or maybe she's thinking she's speaking a different language because she speaks English, Spanish, Tagalog, very little Chinese. Huh? What does camiciello mean?
What?
Oh, exactly. She's saying what? Because Leah! Don't mess that up.
Whew, it is cold. We are now in Land's End in San Francisco because this is really a prep for one of our upcoming trips where we plan on going hiking. Last time when we were in
Zion.
Mount Zion?
No, it's just Zion.
Or Zion. Zayana did not want to walk, so we want to prep her. We want her to get kind of used to hiking, and so that way less.
I need her to be used to walking
Yes,
on her own.
we need her to be used to walking on her own, so we don't have to carry her. Oh, and oh, you forgot socks? Oh, okay. So we're going back to the car now. So we are here with Uncle Alex and Auntie Erica. And oh, you got a stick? Where did your drumstick go? Oh, okay, there you go. But yeah, look at this view. It is very cloudy, but it still looks very nice. You want to go down there, Leah? No. No. Are you sure? We'll go? No? Yeah, all right.
Who did it? Yeah. Good job. High five? High five. She said, I'm a walker. I guess. She walked for actually she walked for all of it. She took one break as soon as she saw a place to sit. And then she was ready to turn around maybe like 3/4 in, but we told her we were almost there. She found a seat and she kept going. So, good job, Zay.
Panchitas?
Yeah, pancita.
And we are here for pupusas. We love pupusas and these look amazing. Let's see if we can focus. Yeah, these look so cheesy, like right here. All that, oh, it's just hot. But yeah, everybody, the girls, they love quesadillas, so I'm sure they will love these cheese quesadillas or cheese pupusas.
Good morning, y'all. It's Sunday now. And yesterday we really just chilled for the rest of the day, so we decided not to vlog. It was kind of just like a let's see where we end up kind of thing, and it was super chill. It was really nice to hang out with our friends because we hadn't done something like that in a long time. That's something we would do all the time before we had kids. It would just be like, what are we doing today? Oh, nothing, let's just chill all day and eat, basically. But today we have some things planned, but this morning I got a lot to do. So just quick update. I am doing a new challenge starting tomorrow, Monday. It's a 100-day challenge, 20 to 30-minute workouts a day. I've been working out consistently since the beginning of January. I've kept the weight off and I've lost a couple more pounds. So I'm like about like 15 to 17 pounds. I like fluctuate 2 to 3 pounds all the time. So I'm still gonna keep going because we have a couple more trips and I wanna lose like maybe 10 more pounds at least before then. So I'm going to meal prep this morning. Got some stuff for meal prep. But first I gotta feed the girls because they hungry. Ziana has been asking for Spam for I don't know how long. But I just made it and she goes, Mommy, it smells so good. So obviously we know what her favorite food is. So before we go out, we gotta meal prep, we're gonna feed the girls breakfast, we're gonna get ready, and Jonathan has something he's gonna be doing with the girls, which will, I guess,
most likely Zayana.
Mostly Zayana will incorporate into this vlog.
And it's basically
yeah, you tell me.
Negotiating with your all right.
Hey.
She wants to, you want to say hi?
Yeah.
It's basically negotiating with your kids for 24 hours and seeing how that will, you know, affect your relationship with them and see if it helps. I think it could probably help. It helps, you know, the child feel more. Oh, she wants to show you her nails. We just did her nails.
I did their nails this morning. Oh my God, Celia. Oh my God.
Oh. I think the whole goal of it all is to make the child feel more heard, and I think it'll work. But at the same time, it means
Now it's different.
Yeah.
Daddy's trying to catch me angry. I'm trying to tell him it's okay if they're in the vlog.
no. I know they are supposed to be in the vlog. It's just
he doesn't like being interrupted. Daddy's a prince.
yes.
He thinks he's a king and he should not be interrupted.
Anyways, guys, no, I'm just kidding.
Look at that. They're all mad because Leo wants to say hi too, right?
You want to say hi?
Hi.
See?
Oh.
I'm not mad. I'm just like annoyed. Mommy always hi. Leo wants to be in it and you don't want to record, and she just wants to say hi, right? Yeah, you love me. Kiss. No.
You want to eat?
She wants to eat. She sees
Okay,
salt.
we need to eat, but we are going to be doing this challenge today, and it's going to be interesting. So I don't know if you guys know, but Zayana is actually a really good negotiator, and she negotiates a lot with Mom because Mom really does, you know, go along with her negotiations. I like to nip it in the butt, but I'm trying to be more open to this. So, luckily for breakfast, she's willing, and she's willing to eat everything, but let's see if she actually eats it all. Because sometimes I feel like, you know, she's a Jedi doing some mind tricks on us because she's actually a really good negotiator. Huh, aren't you? How's the food, Zayana? Very good. Are you gonna finish it all?
Yeah.
All right. You guys can see, it is a full plate of rice, eggs, and Spam. Mommy made it in Zayana's, ooh, they're getting more. You saved me some, Mom?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that yummy?
She gave us a lot of rice.
Mm-hmm. All right. Are you gonna eat it all?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So are you okay? You're gonna eat your food and then we'll watch a show after?
Mm-hmm.
And you're good with that?
Yeah.
Okay, best negotiation ever.
I love you guys, but
Excuse me. That's not how you ask for a popsicle. So you want a popsicle because you finished all your food?
yeah.
That was not the terms of agreement before you finished your food, right?
Yeah, popsicle, right?
Okay, you want a popsicle?
Yeah.
I think you deserve a popsicle, but I also think you need to clean up this mess. So if you can clean up this mess, then we can get a popsicle. You agree? Are you even listening to me? You hear what I said?
Yeah.
So you're gonna clean up and then we can get a popsicle?
No, I don't think so.
Wait, no, that's not negotiation right there. That's not negotiating. Come here. You want a popsicle?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you clean up your toys, then we'll get you a popsicle, okay?
I want him. Daddy. And then I can clean up. Daddy.
Okay, we'll go clean up really quick and we'll get you a popsicle.
Daddy. No, only this one.
Okay, do you want to negotiate? How do you want to negotiate this?
Daddy.
Yes, babe.
That mess. Only this one.
Okay, wait. Show me which mess you don't want to clean up. I can't see. Go over there and show me.
I don't want to clean up. I don't clean up this.
Okay, so you're gonna clean up this mess and not that mess. Okay, so how about you clean up this mess? I'll help you clean up that mess, and then we'll get a popsicle. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Sounds good. Was that a good negotiation? Yeah, are you happy? Alright, me too. House is clean, and now you're quiet.
Well, I'm in the middle of meal prep right now. And she's bothering me. Let's see, what do we have? It doesn't look that appetizing, but this is tofu. That's my protein. And then, I'll show you guys my puppies. Then we have some veggies. Stir-fried veggies. She said, you want some? Yes, this one eats everything, huh? You want some? So Zay is so juiced right now because she found her backpack that she hasn't seen in like maybe a year because I put it away, and it had all sorts of toys in it. Like, why do I even try to get them new things when I can just like put things away and then take them back out and then it'll be like super exciting again. So what did you find, Zay? You want to do a backpack haul?
No.
Okay. Camera. Oh, Leah wants more. So Leah and Zay are playing copycat. Oh, she's gonna dance.
She loves this song.
She loves this song. How do you show her how to dance?
Alright, Zaya, so it is now dinner time and it's time to finish your food. You have a lot of food there. So let's get in 4 bites. 4 bites. And you can go play. No, that's 3. One more finger. There you go. Can you do 4 bites? Can you do that?
1,
2.
2.
Oh, she's gonna do it all in one.
You're supposed to be negotiating with me.
You're supposed to say, how about 3 bites? That's what you're supposed to say. You did it earlier.
Want to do 3? Okay.
Okay.
And then one more, right? Was that 3? Alright. Good job, baby. Alright, it is the next day and I totally forgot to end the vlog yesterday, but overall, the whole negotiation thing with Ziana didn't really work out just because, I don't know, like that negotiation, you know, relationship kind of thing is more, you know, between Zeran and Ziana. And when I was trying to negotiate with her, she goes, I don't know, I feel like she wasn't expecting it from me is how I felt. But definitely I am going to be trying something else for a different video, hopefully soon. and we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I truly appreciate you guys watching the vlog. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you guys next week or sooner. Bye.